I'll show you how to make a low content book real quick. You'll jump into BookBoat and you start doing your product research. Type in journal because this is what I want to look for. So in BookBoat, once you type in journal, you'll find something that kind of captivates you as far as the size and what is selling well. You can see the bestseller rankings and things like that. So I went back to this one right here and I saw that the size was 6x9. So I ended up going back to BookBoat Studio, adding in the 6.9. Changing my page count to 110. I normally stay around 110 when I'm doing journals or notebooks. You're going to name your project whatever you want to name it. Then you're going to go inside the BookBoat Studio and begin the creation process. Now you could create inside a BookBoat, but I normally utilize Canva. So what I would do is I'll scroll over once I get in the BookBoat Studio and I'll get the actual dimensions for the book that I'm creating. And then when I say dimensions, I mean the overall. I know it's a 6x9, but it has an overall dimensions. I copy those dimensions down, then I'll go back in Canva, go to book cover, and then I'll look for those dimensions because I've already typed them in, but you could type them in as well. Once that loads up, then I'll start my creation of the journal that I want to create. Here you're going to see me playing around real quick because I was just trying to make a video. I didn't put this one out, but I still thought it turned out pretty cool. Yeah, so you just start creating using the elements within Canva. Try to find something catchy and eye-appealing. Right here I'm making the... not the border, what I'm talking about, the spine, sorry, the spine for the book. Then I'm coming up with the title, which is going to be my self-love journal. I thought that was pretty cool. Anyway, I started to take some images from Canva and then I want to put them in the background. This is what I ended up coming up with. So I downloaded it, stretched it out to 250, and then I uploaded it back into BookBoat, took the cover, put it inside BookBoat. Once it loaded, click there. Scroll back over in BookBoat back to where your cover dimensions is, and you take your cover and you stretch it out to fit that. You want to make sure that you follow the guidelines, excuse me. Follow your guidelines because Amazon will kick it back. Better believe it. All right, so once you finish doing that part, make sure everything's lined up. Make sure your middle is lined up properly. Like I said, Amazon don't play. You might think it look good, but they'll kick it back quick. Then you're going to go and mess around with your interior. Since this is going to be a journal, I wanted to deal with the interior for journals. As right now, the interior, is blank. So you can go into BookBoat. You'll look for interior, find journal, scroll down. I wanted to find the wide journal. I clicked on that, select all, unselect cover, hit next at the bottom right, hit submit, and it's going to do its thing. It's going to change everything on the interior to look like that as you see on the left. Download the file, then you can use it for any self-publishing company that you want to use, Amazon, KDP, Lulu, whatever you want to use. If you want to learn more about self-publishing, hit that follow button. Peace.